Hi everybody. This is an articulating borescope that I picked up on Amazon for about $160. So let's take a look at the outside of the package real quick. And let's open it up and see what comes inside. So this is actually the second of this same brand, this DXZtoz, whatever. This is the second model of this that I picked up on Amazon. The first one had a camera head that was about 3/8 of an inch. And this one is supposed to have one that's 6 millimeter. So the 3/8 was more like 8 millimeter. And yeah, this is much, much smaller. So one of the things I noticed on the other model was just because of the larger diameter camera and of course the larger diameter cable, I had a little bit of issue when I was using it in the spark plug hole on a GM 3.6 liter engine. So I decided to exchange it and get the 6 millimeter instead. So let's just measure it real quick and see what the diameter is. So we're just over a 1/4 inch, like 232. So yeah, that's like right around 6 millimeter. Okay, let's go through the rest of it, see what all it comes with. Forbidden to operate the wheel when the coil pipe in curl state, otherwise the wire rope will be broken. Yeah, you have to do it when it's extended. Okay, good warning. That screen covering looks pretty dirty, but it looks like it's the same monitor setup as the one I previously had. Poor label placement there. Looks okay though. It's got a little lock for holding it onto the tool handle. And let's see what comes up here. Of course, you got a user manual. Has information about how the screen works. Okay. And here's a little accessories kit. So this actually comes with a USB cable, cleaning wipe, okay, some reason this is a tricky opening container. All right, I need a screwdriver for that. All right, guys, you made a real tightly opening container. I guess I probably could have just squeezed in. No, I can't. All right, there's a little issue. Little brush. USB cable. Is that USB-C? Yes, it is USB-C. Looks like some cleaning Q-tips, dust cloth, and a little tool set. So this is actually pretty cool. These little tools you can attach to the end of the camera head. So when you stick this into an engine, like into a cylinder or into an oil pan, then you can use these tools to do stuff. So, got one that's a hook, so you can go in and grab something and pull it out. One that's a mirror. Oh no, this is the magnet. So you can stick it to things. It's very lightly magnetic there. It sticks to this. There we go. So that's cool. This is the mirror. So I guess if you really want to try to see something that's in a really awkward position and the articulating head can't do it, then you can also attach the mirror. And I'm actually not so sure what this ring is for. Maybe it's to support the camera so it doesn't get hit on the side of a pipe if you're running it down a pipe. Not really sure. Anyway, now let's get to the main event, the camera itself. So it's kind of what you'd expect. Big handle, and this knob moves the camera head. The handle also has a zoom button, a picture button, and the light button to control the brightness of the light that comes out of it. So let's hook it up and see if this thing has any power in it. Usually these things come with some charge level in the batteries. There we go. We'll fit that. There. Now it can tighten up. Yep, that works. All right, so here we go. Here's what it looks like. Of course, these are a fixed lens camera, so the closer you get, then it'll get fuzzy, and then if you pull it away, it'll also get fuzzy. There's like a certain distance where you get really nice focus, and in this case, it's like pretty close. So I'm about, an inch or so away. And as I go closer, it gets blurry, and then as I go farther away, it also gets a little bit blurry. So I'll stick it here where there's some smaller words. Right there, right about an inch is good. So this button here changes the brightness of the light. This button takes a picture. You can see the little camera icon quickly pops up on the screen. And then this button zooms. Then of course I can use this to rotate the head to look at different things. So, pretty cool. Well, there you have it. Articulating Borescope camera from Amazon. Pretty cool.